And then now let's try a walk back. Simple walk. Yeah, that was lovely. Okay, just to walk back, eyes at each other. Yeah. Sorry. Let's try a rotation. Just a one quick rotation. There was one really cool bit where you went like that with the rotation. It looked beautiful. Hello, I'm Mukherjee. I'm one of the choreographers, and I'm from Calcutta in India. So it's here. One, look at heaven. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we'll do a head movement going and a 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8.
Left and right and left and right.
Da, di, da, 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 da. And smile when you get up. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Lovely, guys. 6, 7, 8. When I first heard the song as well, like it's you see Katie's character in this song as almost like a goddess that's very epic, that's lived on through the centuries, and it was actually Katie's idea by watching this video on YouTube, which I also loved, you know, because it's quite a famous video now, where these wonderful Korean dancers do this thing with the arms. And I had actually used this piece in another piece before where the goddess wakes up and the arms wake up. So me and Katie were on the same page on that, and I thought, oh, God, I love that, so we'll put that in. And it goes beautifully with the music. Where I come from in Calcutta, we worship the mother goddess, which is Durga, and she has 10 arms. Over here we have 12 boys, that's 24 arms, so that's, nice. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll. 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And of course we are working with the poles, you know, the poles behind her, that created a trick, and it's incredible. In the rehearsal a trick can work, and over here when we saw it on camera it looked like it was electronic, so that was a huge surprise. You know, we had no idea that was going to look like that. So all these wonderful things, you know, like the perks of the job, as it were. This is slightly like you're hidden, so don't be so straight up. So it's there, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, going 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. That's it.
So what we have here is a series of images that are instinctive. We're using camera A and camera B. They're facing each other through holes in opposite walls. One is looking through what we call the industrial man-made wall, and the other is looking through the natural nature-made wall. So we're featuring sort of man-made versus nature-made. That's the kind of underlying theme.
Kevin wanted a combination of looks. One was quite industrial, one was quite nature and earthy, so artifice and nature. So for the artifice section we had lots of very sharp, precise industrial moves, and for the earthy section it was very organic, very flowy, almost windy. And 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9. So it's like okay? Of course, there's this really cool camera trick that's happening in this video.
Normally with a split screen it's a mirror image, because something from the back is a mirror version of something from the front. Here we're flipping one side of the image, so there's a continuity of movement. Someone can walk through the frame and magically switch sides, which is very exciting. So we're actually using that as a starting point.
So the choreography is done in such a way that, you know, it's done facing two cameras in two sides, and some of it gets really funky, really African.
Don't trust your mama, it's not always listening. Turn on the lights and feel the ancient rhythm.
It's being rocked by an invisible sea,
Yes.
so we don't want to know exactly when things happen.
Okay.
But it's
Okay.
that.
You want more of that, basically.
More
Okay,
of
great.
that
Gotcha.
combined with that.
4, 5.